Back to the game. Boy pula, pinasa na Boy Carver. Once again, back to the game. Boy Tasa, pinasa kay Boy Blue. Nakita si Boy Orange, no good. Boy Tasa na agaw. Nakita number 18, take a shot. Yes sir, 2 points. Committed by Mendo Carwash. Sobrang pasa. Mga kaibigan, naglalaro po yung import ng Mendo Carwash. Boy Putotoy. Pinasakay Boy Putotoy. Mukhang hindi po na kuha yung bola. Back to the game. Mr. Lomba on the goal. Pasa number 11, take a shot! What a nice shot! Hindi pumasok. Bakit kaya? Rebound by number 18. Yes, sir. To take the round. Once again, back to the game. Mendo Carwash. Natapal, Mr. Lomba, Pasto. Gangsta, number 24. Good. Totoy, number 3. Bumangga sa kader na agaw. Pinasa by Mr. Gangsta, number 24. 2 points. Battle, 2 points. Once again, Tanti, Pasto, Totoy. Hindi po makawag yung bola, lumabas. Right, ang intense yung laban ngayong gabi. Hindi natin malaman kung sino laban. Number 18, that's the number 3. Pasto, point combo, point combo. 25, on the goal, point kasi. Hindi pa pumasok mga kaibigan. Rebound by number 2, number 18, dribbling the shot. Nakita yung kanyang kakapit. Boy Bulao, hindi pumasok. Rebound by Mr. Long shot, pass to G. What a nice goal! 2 points! 6-4 in favor of Tanto. Grabe yung mga pasa, parang pang MKA lang ha. Once again, Boy Calvo.
Ada yang sabit kalbo. Ada sabit kalbo.
6 minutes, every time.
Kamalay na yan, sabit kalbo.
Boy Putotoy, pinasakay Boy Calvo. Ipatuloy ang pag-Mendo Carwash. Ang bilis pumasok, mabilis pang tumakbo. Back to the game. Number 19, 2 points. Torlao. This size. London. Yes, sir. Back to the game. Number 18, Inagaw. Number 2, pass at 24, Gangsta. 2 points. Usually is the 5 minutes. Inagaw ni Torlao. Mga kaibigan ng Phantom. Take a shot. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Boy Tulining. Pass to Boy Calvo. Once again, number 17. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Torlao. Pass to number 7. Once again, 2 points. Another points at Phantom. Boy Tulining. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Boy Calvo. Nagkakaroon ng Boy Tulining. Take a shot! Yes, sir! 2 points! Nakakababali na yung buti na lang hindi pa. What a nice move by Boy Tulining. 2 points. Lokma, dribbling the ball. Take a shot! No good! Muntik na mga kaibigan. Rebound by Boy Putotoy. Pinasa kay Boy Tulining. Nakita sa number 18. There is a check violation. Substitution. Boy Tuliling out.
Akin.
Sino kaya yung pinasa? Boy Tuliling out. Number 19 on the go, take a shot. What a nice shot committed by Phantom once again. Yan po, kaibigan ko bang kalipas ang tago, number 18. Si Boy Lee. Nasa kailang bang maaga ni Loma dribbling the ball. Ay, busog, sorry. Number 11, pumasok yung pass ng Loma dribbling ball. Take a shot! Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Boy Tuliling.